Hello everyone, my name is Flo and I'm working for Tennis Central, and today I thought I would give you a little tutorial for all these new team managers, so whoever's got some kids playing junior interclub and who put their hand up to be a team manager. At one stage you're gonna have to enter the results of your team onto configure ranking, and I'm just gonna show you a very quick and easy way on how to do so. So first thing you need to do is to go on the Tennis Central website, so www.tenniscentral.kiwi. So here we go. And once you are on the Tennis Central website, you go into the compete menu and then junior tennis right here, and just underneath that you got junior interclub. Alright, so now you're on the Junior Interclub page. So you're gonna have all sort of informations on there. You're gonna have all the draws of Junior Interclub. You're gonna have all the results, and you're gonna have all the rules as well. And on this section, just underneath configure ranking, you're gonna have a link called Team Manager Capturing Results Login. So you're just gonna click on that, and that's gonna take you to the result logging page onto configure ranking. So you're gonna need to know the configure ranking code of the player you are linked to. So most of the time for those junior team managers, usually you're gonna be linked to the code of your child. So I'm just gonna put the code of Ruby O'Connor from Carey United. Here we go. And this is if it's the first time that you are actually going onto that website. Obviously you don't have a password yet, so what you're gonna need to do in the first place is to input the player's code into the player code section and then request a new password, and it goes pretty quick. So as soon as you click on there, a password is gonna be emailed to you, so just get into your mailbox and find this password that's been emailed to you. So here it is. So now you are all ready to go, so you just need to click on login. Alright, so as you can see on the top of your screen, you've got the name of the competition that your team is playing, so the pre-Christmas Wellington Junior Interclub competition. And here is the name of the team you are managing. So in this case, this is the girls C1. So the team is the Carey United Irakovic team. So you're just gonna have to click on that link. And this screen appears. So the first little box is called round. So obviously if it's round 1, you're gonna click on 1. If it's round 2, on 2, and things like that. So let's say it's the round 1, and then you're gonna have here on the box underneath the opposition box. So here, if you click on the drop box, you're just gonna pick the team that you've played over the weekend. So let's say that we've played Kilburny Ivanovic. Alright, and here you've got several options. So you can either capture the results, so that's what we are interested in, or you can exit the page you are on, or you can display the point table, or you can display all the captain's details, so all the captain details from that grade. But anyway, we are interested today in capturing the results, so you're just gonna click on there. And that window pops up. So as you can see here, you've got the name of the two teams, so Carey United Irakovic, your team, and Kilburny Ivanovic, so that's the opposition. So you just need to insert here the date of when the game was played. So by clicking on there, you've got a little calendar coming. So you just click on the date. So let's say it was Sunday the 29th of October. So here we go. And here you've got 4 boxes on the very top. So this is your single matches results to be entered here. So these 4 lines are for all the single results, and the bottom lines here are for the double results. You gonna just input all your team's player name. So see Korea United Rakovic. If you click on the drop box, you've got all the names. If it happens that one of the name is not showing, so one of the players who played that tie is not showing in the Dropbox, all you need to do is to click on Find here. Alright, and see you've got a little window coming. So you're just gonna insert the last name of the player you are looking for. So in this case, that was Sandy Jeff. Click search, and here she is. So by just clicking on the player, that will bring the player directly in here. So then you're gonna put here your doubles combinations. So Korea United Erakovic, my team. So I had Alina playing with Messi, and I had Mackenzie playing with Robbie. So then same thing again here for the opposition. Here we go. So then the next thing you need to do is to mention in that column, so won by, the name of the team who won that particular match. So for the match between Alina Wilkes and Dusty Ferenc, Korea United won. So I just have to put the name of the winning team, and then here I'm gonna put the score. So she won 7-6, 7-5. All right, so then you do the same thing for all the matches. So on this one, that was Kilburney winning, and that was 6-4, 6-1. On this one, let's say it was Korea United. Here we go. So 6-2, 7-6. A good thing to do as well, if in one of the sets it was a tiebreaker, you can just put between brackets the score in the tiebreaker. So for example, here in the second set, it was 7-6, and in the tiebreaker it was, let's say, 8-6. So you're just gonna put 6 between brackets, so people can know what was the score in the tiebreak. Here we go, last match. So that was Kilburney, the winner of that one, and it was 6-4, 6-3. Then you're gonna do exactly the same thing for the doubles. So won by Korea United, 7-5, 6-1, and the last one was won by Korea United again, and the score was 1-6, 6-love, 7-5. All right, so once all the scores are in, as you can see on the bottom of the screen here, the system actually recognizes the number of wins. So see, Korea United has got 4 wins, 4 matches, and Kilburney Ivanovic has got 2 matches. So the final score here, I don't know if you can see it clearly, but the final score is 6-2, because when a team is winning a tie, the team is given 2 bonus points. All right, so if you've got a note to leave to the administrator, so if, for example, you've been looking for a player, but you couldn't find that player on the system, you can write it in here. Just write the name of the player, Kelly something was playing at number 3, but I couldn't find the name in the system. So by doing that, obviously it will pop up on our screen and we'll be able to sort the issue out. So once you've got all of that, you don't really need to, I mean, if you've got time, you can obviously calculate the number of sets here for each team. So the number of sets won by Korea United, and here the number of sets won by Kilburney. And if you've got even more time, you can also calculate the number of games won by each team here and here. But it doesn't really matter actually to do that. You don't really need to do that unless it's a draw. So if it's 3-all, so if each team has won 3 matches, then to find out the winner, we're gonna have to go to the set average. So if it's a draw, then you're gonna have to do the count of the sets and the game. And then we'll find out who is the winner of the tie from there. So quite important to fill in those little things only if it's a draw between the two teams. Once it's all done, you just have to update the score. So I don't know if you can see, it's on the very bottom of the screen here. All right, so don't forget to do that because otherwise you're gonna lose all the results. So once all the results are in, just click update and your job is done.